What's going on, everybody? Hope everyone's having a great morning. It's raining right now, but we're gonna drive over to Chris's house and see what he's been up to. He's been working on some new projects, doing new things. We're gonna head over there. I'm about an hour away from him. I'm about across town, so getting on the road soon. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm taking over to his place. Let me show you guys. So Chris wants to do some welding. I'm gonna bring him some sticks of metal. So I built a ramp a couple years ago with him and his dad. We built a 8-foot freestyle motocross ramp. So I had some extra square tubing laying around. I'm gonna give it to Chris because I have no use for it anymore. I still have the ramp. I'll show you guys one day what I used to do before I stopped riding and really started working more. But let's head over there.
Where's my beer?
You find your beer?
I got it.
That's not a Pepsi?
The essentials. I was looking online, obviously online, like no shit. I've been looking for a house since last December and really wanted some land. And I wanted a good, I wanted a garage, a workspace and stuff like that. But I think I kind of hit a home run here, to be honest with you. I got more than I expected, right? I looked at so many houses and I almost bought ones that I probably would have regretted, but hopefully he gets his dog back. Dog just ran down the road.
Yeah.
There's a busy ass street at the end of our street. And these motherfuckers go like 50 down that motherfucker. My dog got out earlier because Chris forgot that I have a dog, so he ran out the gate.
I had a remote, so I thought I owned the place. I just opened it.
I gave this man a remote. He just busted in here. It's got 2 doors or whatever. He added this on. Not much in here quite yet, but basically it's a
storage area,
workshop, whatever you want to call it. It's got, 210. It's got regular plugs, so that's nice for heavy duty shit. I just got some tools. I got a little welding station. My welder's out there, is working on my truck, but a little welding table that I weld some shit up on.
So little first thing you put together.
Oh yeah, just some scraps. I was bored. And then I got all my chargers and shit right here. Got some more plugs.
Yeah. He's also got racks up here as well. I'm just gonna zoom up.
Oh yeah.
He's got top racks too. You can put stuff. It's pretty neat. The guy, previous owner, had it.
Yeah.
He was pretty organized. So.
Got some memorabilia up there.
Yeah, that's the infamous Red Bull helmet that he custom painted. Everything was custom. I think it's 12 years old now. I think something like that. Damn. So what's your plans for this? What do you want to put in this?
He said damn like something fucking ridiculous. This is a fucking V6.
This is a V6?
Yeah.
Sounded like a V8.
Yeah, I know. 4.8? 4.3? 4.3. 4.3 V6, but I'm going to get a 355 probably for it. I saw on Facebook Marketplace.
It's going to fit in here?
It will when we're done.
We'll make it fit.
Make it fit.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to do rear end brakes. I don't want to buy a big ass motor and then break everything, because that's exactly what will happen.
The dentist this? Try one. You put a bar here. I like how he has a lift. So now I can come over here and do my brakes or do my oil change, and I can just pick this thing up and up to the sky. It's actually pretty beneficial.
I didn't check that out. That's pretty cool.
Yes, this is pretty much a cool addition that he put, that came with it. Little overhang.
And then you got this little fire pit area. It's been cold lately. We got 3 little chairs, little fire pit, got some wood. Fuck a lighter.
Mm-hmm.
Basically why I wanted all this was because the goal, anyway, is me and my buddy Alan. I've known him since I can remember. Since I was a little kid, we always liked working on cars and motorcycles and stuff like that. And I really wanted, he's always wanted this stuff too. It's kind of funny, but I just, I happened to get it first or whatever. I'm sure he'll get his own one day as well. But I thought this would be a good spot to start our business, because I want to start a restoration business and welding business, everything that kind of comes along with metal work. My goal is for him and I kind of come over here and try to get my welding to up to speed and stuff like that. and then I want to try to start doing a little bit of a restoration. He's way further along than I am. He's actually already owned a shop prior and had a business going and stuff like that. So I feel like I've already got a foot in because I have him, and we're kind of gonna go into it together. So it's kind of my goal and stuff. But for right now, I just kind of work on my own stuff, and I try to, like I said, I just got myself a welder. I've welded in the past, but you know, I really want to be able to stack them dimes, you know. So I gotta
Get better at welding.
Yeah, I gotta
get better at the welding and
Yeah,
making
I
cleaner
gotta
welds.
get some machines. I got a MIG welder and a TIG welder. Blue.
Blue, you want a microphone too?
Yeah, I think he does. Or I have a MIG. I want to get a TIG.
So other than the badass lift and the storage, what other key features did you put in here?
Yeah, so you know, keep going into the house and shit. I got a sink and some little table to clean parts and stuff. But then I got a bathroom, right?
Got an outhouse in here.
Little outhouse. So it's pretty cool.
It's convenient for guests, that way you don't got to go in your house and
Yeah.
dirty it up.
I mean, even for me, you know what I mean? Even though I don't necessarily use it, I just piss in the corner. But just got my truck here. There's some stuff I want to do to it, and we'll get that going. And then eventually I'll take some pictures of some of the work that I do along the way, and then post that on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, and just advertise that I do weld, and I'll try to offer a very good price for my services, and that way I can get some business going quickly.
So with Chris building all this new projects that he's gonna have with the cars, I'm gonna do all the video editing, I'll do all the photography, and then I'll incorporate some of our podcast material with these builds. Like whenever we go in a studio, he'll inform me of things that he's working on, and we'll do a lot of video and a lot of footage of what's going on in detail, what he's doing. So I think this is gonna be a very interesting year, 2024, and we look forward to all the future projects we got going on here.